For thousands of former nuclear weapons workers, the job ended long ago, but the health consequences did not. Toxic exposure left behind a hidden battle, kidney disease. And today we look at how new models of care are bringing treatment directly to these patients at home, close to their families, and with the dignity they've more than earned. Joining me now from Nuclear Care Partners is Stacy, Todd, and Patrick Howe. So, Nuclear Care Partners serves a very specific group, correct?
Correct.
Why was it so important to build a care model just for them?
This group helped to build our nuclear arsenal during the Cold War. Many of them were from military service. They came from all walks of life. While doing so, many of them were exposed to harmful chemicals and radiation. And for some, that exposure caused chronic kidney disease or other chronic conditions later in life.
And traditional home care isn't always designed to care for patients that have had toxic exposure. They need a more specialized clinical expertise, and our care models are designed to specifically progress as their disease progresses. But in the first stages, we're focused on stabilization, slowing the progression. But in the end stages, then we're focused on that dialysis treatment, whichever modality that they choose, we're there to support them in the home.
Yeah, there's a lot of studies that support the effects of heavy metals like cadmium, lead, mercury.
Are you going after that? Or
We try to find those patients that had that exposure, and when we can identify patients who are in the early phases, the sooner we can get to them. We know hypertension and diabetes are the leading cause of kidney disease, but when you have these exposures to heavy metals and toxins, it hurts the mitochondria of the renal tubules, and that is something that can't be reversed.
To understand how big this issue is, we joined the National Kidney Foundation at their Atlanta Kidney Walk.
At the Atlanta Kidney Walk. The goal is to help fund resources for patients and to advocate.
Kidney disease is actually quite prevalent. Over 35 million Americans have kidney disease, and most don't even know it. And so it's really important that we get the word out on kidney disease prevention.
Nuclear Care Partners aligns very closely with NKF's mission with empowering people, driving system change, and accelerating innovation by encouraging home dialysis for atomic workers.
When you do dialysis at a center, you don't have as much freedom, as much autonomy. At home, patients have much more freedom. They can set their own schedules, travel at will, plus they tend to be healthier when they do home dialysis. And very importantly, they tend to be happier.
Chronic kidney disease is often known as a silent epidemic. We want to bring noise to the silence. We want to inspire patients. We are walking in purpose with them to let them know they are not in this fight alone.
It's a great story. They are clearly very enthusiastic about kidneys and protecting the kidney.
We're an in-home nursing company. We have dedicated nurses. She runs our clinical group, and our nurses are trained to provide that dialysis, but we do it with the dialysis center's equipment.
At home.
Absolutely. Our nurses come in and they take over that care, and they
bring
take over
the fluids, bring the bags.
They do all the setup. And what we love about it is it allows our family members to be a family.
Yes. Ultimately, you're giving the patient that independence and that dignity to have this care done in their own space.
But when you think about anything that patients want to do as it pertains to chronic health care needs, they always want to be in home, stay home.
That's right.
Whatever, however advanced it gets, let me stay in my home. This is part of that.
And anything we can do to slow the progression and work with the nephrologist, we're helping them live healthier lives. And the goal is renal transplant. If we can help them get through the renal transplant phase, that's our primary goal.
Unfortunately, for too many of our nation's atomic heroes, so-called, the fight didn't end when the work did. To learn more, visit nuclearcarepartners.com. Be right back.